Dear student, today we are going to discuss relation between normality and molarity. Molarity equal to 1000 into mass of solute upon molecular mass of solute and volume in milliliter of the solution. In normality, 1000 into W2 mass of solute, equivalent mass of solute and volume in milliliter of solution. When we divide normality by molarity, so 1000 into W2 upon E2 into V milli, 1000 into W2 upon comes in up here, and upon here in upon 1000 into W2 here, E2 into V milli cut, W2 cut, 1000 cut, so M2 upon E2. Mass, molecular mass of solute, equivalent mass of the solute. So M2 upon E2 gives N. N is a number. So N equal to small n into capital N, where capital N is normality, capital M is molarity, small n is the acidity of base, otherwise basicity of acid, otherwise valency of the salt. This is shortcut. A shortcut. If molarity is given, then directly we can define normality. Find out molarity of 0.05 normal sulfuric acid. So normality is given 0.05. Here sulfuric acid is acid. Basicity is 2. So here 2. So molarity equal to 0.05 by 2. So 0.025 molarity. Yes. Sometimes new question. Molarity is given, we have to define normality. Find out normality of the solution 0.05 molar H3PO4 phosphoric acid. So here normality equal to N into M. Yes. So here H3PO4 is acid and basicity of it is 3. So 3 into 0.05. So 3 into 5 upon 100, 15 by 100, so 0.15 normal. Direct we can derive some. Now some another relations we are going to discuss. Some another formula of normality. A relation between normality and percentage weight by volume. So whenever percentage weight by volume is given, so we can define normality. We have to multiply by 10 to percentage weight by volume and divide by equivalent weight of solute, means E2. 2 means solute, otherwise percentage weight by volume equal to normality into equivalent weight upon 10. Another relation, percentage weight by weight with normality into equivalent weight of solute E2, then divide by 10 and D means density. Here weight by weight with density comes here. For getting normality, percentage weight by weight into 10 into D divided by E2. This one gives the normality. I am giving you question. Find out the normality of the solution 10% weight by volume NaOH sodium hydroxide. There are two methods. NaOH is base. So molecular mass is 40, sodium 23, oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. Now acidity of NaOH is 1. So equivalent mass, molecular mass upon acidity. So it is also 40. Now percentage should be reference to 100. 10% weight by volume means 10 gram NaOH is dissolved into 100 milli solution. So we can define normality. 1000 mass of solute, then equivalent mass of NaOH and volume in milliliter. 1000 into mass of solute 10, here 40, and volume in milliliter is 100. 10 by 4 gives 2.5 normal. Here direct we can derive using this formula. Okay, you can see normality equal to 10, percentage weight by weight 10 divided by 40. This is shortcut 2.5 normal. Understood? Now next formula. Find out normality of the solution having 1.032 gram per milli, density 1.032 gram per milli, and 10% weight by weight. So in this case, percentage weight by weight is 10 into 10. Density. Now our question is like this. Find out normality of the solution having density 1.302 gram per milliliter, having 10% sulfuric acid. So we can easily define some percentage weight by weight is given 10 into 10. Density is 1.032 and equivalent mass. Molecular mass of sulfuric acid is 98. Basicity is 2. So equivalent mass 98 by 2, 49. So 100 into 1.032 gives 103.2. So 2.0 101.3 103.2 divided by 49 gives 2.106. 2.106 normal. Sometimes normality given for it. If normality is 2.106, find out percentage. So here direct normality 2.106 equivalent mass 49 divided by 10 into density 1.032. So it comes 9.999, round off for 10% is our answer. Yes, sir. Formula of the normality is similar with the molarity for dilution. આપણે dilution કરવું, solution ને dilute કરવું છે. For dilution, N1V1 equal to N2V2. Initial normality, initial volume is given. Then final normality we can derive if final volume is known. 0.1 normal HCl 100 ml when became 500 ml solution. So final normality will be, so initial normality N1, initial volume V1, final volume V2 is given. So final normality we can define, so this is dilution 0.1 into 100 equal to 500 into normality. So 0.1 into 100 divided by 500. 0.1 by 5. So 1 upon 10 and 5. 1 by 5 means 0.2. Then 10. So answer 0.02 normal is the final normality. This is our final normality. Now in mixture. In the mixture, for mixture, N equal to N1V1 plus N2V2 upon V1 plus V2, mean 0.1 normal NaOH 100 ml is mixed with 0.05 normal NaOH of 200 ml. So find out normality of mixture. Here, for using this formula, store in your mind, both compounds should be same. Otherwise, it is not applicable. 0.1 into 100 milli plus 0.05 into 200 milli divide by 100 plus 200. 0.1 into 100 means 10. 0.05 into 200, 5, here 100, here 2. So which is 5 upon 300. So 15 by 300. 3 into 100. 5 3 15, so 5 by 100 gives 0.05 normal. Yes, sir. This is normality of mixture. Here is mistake. 5 2 10. 5 upon 100 into 200. Sorry. Here 10. So 20 divided by 300. Same. 0 cut 2. 20 divided by 300. So first of all 20 divided by 100. 20 divided by 3. 3 6 18. 6 6.66 so round off value 0.067 normal. Yes, this is our answer. Sometimes one acid is given and one base is given. So in this case, our solution, if it is given in molarity, we have to convert into, we are in our neutralization. Acid react with the base, so give salt and water. This is a neutralization. Acid is reacting with base, give salt and water, that is neutralization. In this case, if molarity is given, so we have to convert into normality first. Yes, we have to convert into normality first. Otherwise, answer will be wrong. How you can see, I am giving you a question. Point 1 molarity sulfuric acid is 0.1 molarity sulfuric acid 100 milli is mixed with 0.05 normal molarity NaOH 100 milli. So final normality will be, final molarity will be, one is acid and one is base given. So first of all, molarity we have to convert into normality, compulsory. So we know normality equal to 10 into m. Molarity is 0.1. The basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. So here is 0.2. 0.1 into 2.2. So for acid N1V1, 0.2 into volume 100, so 20. Yes. For base, normality of NaOH, molarity is 0.05 given. Here basicity of NaOH is 1. So which is 0.05 normal. And for base into V2, 0.05 into 100. So it is 5. So out of these two value, which one is more? Abemathi મોટું કયું છે? Acid. Acid is more than base. So remaining રહેશે, આ બધું યુઝ થઈ જશે. આ excess છે, એટલે final volume will be acidic. So final molarity of the acid. Higher value માંથી lower value we have to subtract. Then upon total volume, higher value N1V1 is 20, N2V2 is 5. So base more હોય તો final molarity of base more. Here 100 plus 100. So 15 divided by 200. Here shortcut 15 divided by 2 and 100. When we divide 15 by 2, 7.5, then 100. So 0.075 normality. 0.075 normality. But if question is asked in molarity, then what we have to do? This one is normality of sulfuric acid. Calculation માં normality compulsory, neutralization માટે. So we have to convert into molarity. Normality is 0.075. Basicity of sulfuric acid is 2. So 0.075 divided by 2 gives the molarity of the final solution. Molarity. This is our answer. Understood? Now, sometimes two acid and one base is given. Before that, we are taking once again 0.05 normal sulfuric acid of 100 ml is mixed with 0.1 normal NaOH having 100 ml. Find out final concentration in normality. Here normality is given, already given. So N1V1 direct 0.05 into 100, so 5. And now here N2V2 for base 0.1 into 100, so 10. This one for acid, this one for base. Which value is higher here? Multiplication of both, which one is higher? Tell me. So 10 is more, so base is more than acid. So final normality of base. Here N2V2 minus N1V1 upon V1 plus V2. So 10 minus 5 upon 100 plus 100. So 5 by 200. 10. આ more છે આ less છે. Acid બધું consume થઈ જાય. Remaining will be base. So 5 by 2 and 100. 5 by 2 means 2.5. Divide by 100, 0.025. Normality. Remaining of the base. Understood? If two acid and one base is mixing, two acid and one base, yes, 0.1 normal HCl 100 milli, and 0.1 normal sulfuric acid 100 milli. Mixture of the 0.1 normal 700 milli and 0.1 normal sulfuric acid 100 milli is reacting with 100 milli 0.01 normal NaOH. So final molarity will be, in the calculation we have to compulsorily take a normality. N1V1, acid 1, N1V1. So 0.1 into 100, 10. For acid 2, 0.1 into 100, which is also 10 into V2. For base, N3V3, 0.01 into 100, so which is 1, N3V3. अब acid chain multiplication, total 20 of acid. Here 1 of base. So acid is more than base. So in this case N1V1 plus N2V2 minus N3V3 divide by V1 plus V2 plus V3. So final normality of HCl acid. Acid is more than base here. And now we decide that. So 10 plus 10 minus 1 upon 100 plus 100 plus 100. So 20 minus 1 upon 300. So 19 upon 300. So it will be 19 divided by 300 gives 0.0633. Round off 0.063 normality of HCl. Our final normality will be like this. This is the question of the neutralization. Sometimes two base and one acid is given. .05 normal HCl, 100 milli 0.05 normal HCl is reacting with a mixture of 0.1 normal NaOH 100 milli and 0.05 normal NaOH 200 milli. So final normality will be here acid. So N1V1 0.05 into 100 gives 5. Now base 1 N2V2 0.1 into 100 gives 1. Then V2 here N3V3 0.05 into 200. So 5 upon 100 here 200. 5 to 10. So here total of base B1 and B2. So 1 plus 10 is 11 now. This is less. So our final solution will be basic. So final normality of a base. Here N2V2 plus N3V3, two base leaving addition minus lower value upon V1 plus V2 plus V3. So here 1 plus 10 minus 5 upon 100, 100 and 200. So 11 minus 5 means 6 upon 400. 6 upon 400. Zero 0.015 of NaOH is final normality. If molarity is asked, so we can easily convert in the formula. Compulsory we have to calculation में normality लेवल पर आंसर होता है, we last में convert कर सकते हैं. 0.015. NaOH is base and basicity is 1, acidity. So molarity will be 0.015. Why? Value of N whenever 1, so normality equal to molarity. Yes. Now, bye.